Hi guys, I'm Tom and welcome to the Fat Fords YouTube channel. I'm currently working on an XB Falcon Coupe. It's a 74, 302, 4-speed, red pepper was the original colour, and the car itself was extremely rotted out. I've used parts from a few different cars to get to where we are today, and we're still working on the steel fabrication side of things. And yeah, we've got plans for it. The main plan is that we're going to be putting a Coyote engine, 6-speed manual gearbox out of a Mustang, 2016 Mustang. So we bought a complete car, which was in an accident, so we bought the complete car to use as a donor. So I decided that it would be a good plan to start filming it and put it on record. So even though we're still in fabrication side, I thought some of you might enjoy seeing that process, and within hopefully a short period of time we'll be moving on to installing the engine and fitting it up. At this stage I'm thinking about using the Mustang floor pan and firewall so that I can actually reuse seats and dashboard and have all the mod cons, all the aircon and everything the Mustang would have had. So I haven't 100% decided on that, but that is the plan at the moment. So yeah, so the video is just for fun and just keeping a record of things. I hope that you enjoy it. It's not really, I'm not trying to use it as an instructional thing. I'm not trying to teach anybody. I just, by no means am I a master at this craft. I'm not even a qualified panel beater. I worked for a panel beater back in the 80s when I'd left school, and worked for an engineer for a while after that. But I actually own a mobile crane business, but cars are my passion, and I've been building cars since I was a teenager. So as I get older, I hope I build more and more. So as I say, I hope that you enjoy it, and yeah, stay tuned. Okay, so what we've got now is I've cleaned up the original inner wheel arch, and I've ground off what was left of the quarter panel where it was joined to the wheel arch, and I just want to leave that there as a guide for fitting up the repair sections. So what I'm going to use is, this is actually the wheel arch cut out of a front passenger guard, which was pretty much junk, but it's all good solid metal here, and it's not an exact fit. The radius towards the rear is, you know, that's different, but I'll sort of cut it into sections and just fit it up, and then that radius around the wheel arch, that has to sort of be reversed. So I'll just go ahead and chop it into sections and fit it up. next thing is to add the rust repair panel to the bottom of the rear quarter, and then we'll probably put the quarter on the car, and then we'll match our rust repair panel while it's on the car. Also, may have to do some adjustments to this. It's just a little bit off. I did follow with this rust repair that I've done, I did follow the original line of that wheel arch, but it doesn't seem to match this replacement quarter for some reason. So it won't be the replacement quarter's fault. I'd say it was whatever the repair job was on this earlier. So yeah, anyway, it's coming along okay, and just on top of that, we continued our strip out of the Mustang today. Got all the dash and everything out. Still undecided about whether I'm putting that dash in the Falcon, but sure would be nice to have all the mod cons, that's for sure. And if I'm allowed to, if the engineers allow that sort of thing. So yeah. Oh, and the other thing that arrived was my I've got them here, knocking everything over as I walk around. I got these from RRS, the shock tower cutouts, which really don't have any option but have to use, otherwise that motor's not going to fit in. So yeah, that'll be one of the next things that we do after I finish playing around with this quarter. So anyway, that's it for today. We'll come back again tomorrow.